Self-grounding receptacles offer enhanced electrical safety compared to standard outlets, even when an equipment grounding conductor, or EG, is run to the box. Firstly, self-grounding receptacles have a built-in metal plate that directly connects to the box. This plate provides a reliable grounding path for electrical current. It is attached near one of the mounting screws, which ensures a secure connection. Relying on an EGC run to the box without a self-grounding receptacle creates a less reliable ground path, since it depends on the integrity of the box and the screw connection. Secondly, the self-grounding mechanism eliminates the potential for ground loops or floating grounds, which can occur when there is an improper grounding path. These conditions can create a shock hazard or cause electrical noise and interference. Self-grounding receptacles prevent ground loops by providing a dedicated and direct path to the ground. Thirdly, modern electrical appliances and electronics rely on a safe and reliable ground connection to protect against electrical shock and damage. Self-grounding receptacles ensure that appliances have a proper ground reference, reducing the risk of electrical accidents and malfunctions. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires self-grounding receptacles in all new installations. Using non-self-grounding receptacles without an EGC violates the NEC and compromises electrical safety. While a plug-in tester or multimeter may indicate that an outlet without a self-grounding receptacle is grounded, this is not a reliable measure of actual safety. The tester only verifies that there is continuity between the outlet's ground terminal and the grounding system. It does not guarantee a secure and reliable grounding path that is essential for electrical safety. Therefore, it is recommended to use self-grounding receptacles to ensure the highest level of electrical safety and compliance with electrical codes. The built-in metal plate provides a direct and reliable connection to the grounded box, which is superior to relying solely on the contact between the receptacle's mounting screws and the box. This direct connection ensures a low impedance path for fault current, facilitating faster operation of overcurrent protective devices like circuit breakers or fuses. The reduced risk of ground loops is a significant safety advantage. Ground loops can create circulating currents that cause electrical noise, equipment malfunction, and even present a shock hazard. By establishing a dedicated and direct grounding path, self-grounding receptacles minimize the potential for these problems. Furthermore, compliance with the NEC is not just a matter of following regulations, it is a commitment to safety. The NEC specifies requirements for grounding to ensure that electrical systems are installed and maintained in a way that minimizes the risk of electrical shock and fire. Using self-grounding receptacles helps meet these requirements and demonstrates a commitment to electrical safety. It is also important to understand the limitations of plug-in testers. While these testers can indicate the presence of a ground connection, they do not verify the quality of that connection. A loose or corroded connection may still show continuity, but it may not be able to safely handle fault current. Self-grounding receptacles, with their direct connection to the box, provide a more robust and reliable grounding path. In addition to these safety benefits, self-grounding receptacles can also improve the performance of sensitive electronic equipment. A clean and reliable ground connection is essential for preventing electrical noise and interference, which can disrupt the operation of computers, audio equipment, and other electronic devices. By using self-grounding receptacles, one can ensure that these devices have a proper ground reference, which helps to minimize noise and interference. Self-grounding receptacles offer a superior grounding solution compared to standard receptacles, offering enhanced safety, reliability, and compliance with electrical codes. It's a straightforward way to improve the overall safety and performance of electrical systems. When installing or replacing receptacles, it is always best to choose self-grounding models to take advantage of these benefits. The grounding system is a critical component of any electrical installation. Its primary purpose is to provide a low impedance path for fault current to return to the source, which allows overcurrent protection devices to quickly trip and to energize the circuit in the event of a fault. A properly grounded system minimizes the risk of electrical shock, fire, and equipment damage. Self-grounding receptacles play an important role in ensuring that the grounding system is effective. In addition to the direct connection to the box, self-grounding receptacles also typically feature a robust design and construction. They are made from high-quality materials and are designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use. This ensures that the grounding connection remains secure and reliable over time. It's crucial to remember that electrical work should only be performed by qualified individuals who are familiar with the NEC and local electrical codes. Incorrect wiring or improper grounding can create serious safety hazards. When working with electricity, it is always best to err on the side of caution and to seek professional help when needed. The benefits of self-grounding receptacles extend beyond residential applications. They are also widely used in commercial and industrial settings, where electrical safety is of paramount importance. In these environments, the risk of electrical hazards is often greater due to the presence of heavy machinery, complex electrical systems, and a larger number of people. Self-grounding receptacles help to mitigate these risks by providing a reliable and effective grounding solution. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use self-grounding receptacles comes down to a matter of safety. While standard receptacles may appear to be grounded when tested with a plug-in tester or multimeter, they do not provide the same level of protection as self-grounding models. Self-grounding receptacles offer a more robust, reliable, and compliant grounding solution that enhances the safety of electrical systems. The grounding path is not only about continuity, but also about impedance. A lower impedance path allows for greater fault current to flow, causing the breaker to trip quicker. The quicker a breaker trips, the less chance there is for a dangerous situation to occur. Self-grounding receptacles allow for the lowest impedance possible when properly installed. The reliability of the connection to the box is also very important. Over time, standard receptacles can loosen or corrode, decreasing the reliability of the grounding path. Self-grounding receptacles provide a more secure and reliable connection, ensuring that the grounding path remains effective over time. Self-grounding receptacles are a simple and cost-effective way to improve the safety of electrical systems. They are easy to install and provide a number of benefits over standard receptacles. When upgrading or installing new electrical systems, it is always best to choose self-grounding receptacles to ensure the highest level of electrical safety. It is essential to periodically inspect electrical systems to ensure that they are in good working order. This includes checking receptacles for damage, loose connections, and proper grounding. If any problems are found, they should be addressed immediately by a qualified electrician. Regular maintenance can help to prevent electrical hazards and ensure the safety of electrical systems. The NEC is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advances in electrical technology and safety practices. It is important for electricians and other electrical professionals to stay up to date on the latest code requirements to ensure that electrical systems are installed and maintained in accordance with the highest safety standards. Self-grounding receptacles are just one example of how the NEC promotes electrical safety. The code also includes requirements for wiring methods, overcurrent protection, and grounding electrode systems, all of which are designed to minimize the risk of electrical hazards. In addition to following the NEC, it is also important to be aware of local electrical codes and regulations. These codes may vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction and may include additional requirements for electrical installations. By complying with both the NEC and local codes, electricians can ensure that electrical systems are installed and maintained in a way that is safe and compliant. Choosing the correct receptacle for the application is very important. Not all receptacles are created equal, and some are designed for specific purposes. For example, there are receptacles that are designed for use in damp or wet locations, and there are receptacles that are designed for use with heavy-duty appliances. Using the wrong type of receptacle can create a safety hazard. Self-grounding receptacles provide a safe and effective way to ground electrical systems, even in situations where the wiring is not ideal. For example, if the metal box is not properly grounded, a self-grounding receptacle can still provide a ground path through the mounting screws and the metal plate that is in contact with the box. This can help to prevent electrical shock in the event of a fault. It is very important to ensure that the box is properly grounded. This can be done by connecting a grounding conductor to the box and to the grounding electrode system. The grounding electrode system is a network of interconnected electrodes that are buried in the earth. The purpose of the grounding electrode system is to provide a low impedance path for fault current to return to the source. A properly installed and maintained grounding electrode system is essential for electrical safety. Self-grounding receptacles are a valuable tool for enhancing electrical safety. They provide a reliable and effective way to ground electrical systems, and they can help to prevent electrical shock in the event of a fault. When upgrading or installing new electrical systems, it is always best to choose self-grounding receptacles to ensure the highest level of electrical safety. A ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, is a device that is designed to protect people from electrical shock. A GFCI monitors the current flowing in a circuit and will trip if it detects a difference of as little as 5 mA between the outgoing and return current. This difference indicates that current is leaking to ground, which could be a sign of an electrical fault. GFCIs are typically installed in areas where there is a high risk of electrical shock, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor locations. Self-grounding receptacles and GFCIs are both important safety devices that can help to protect people from electrical shock. Self-grounding receptacles provide a reliable ground path, while GFCIs provide protection against ground faults. When used together, these devices can provide a high level of electrical safety. Surge protection is another important aspect of electrical safety. A surge protector is a device that is designed to protect electronic equipment from voltage spikes. Voltage spikes can be caused by lightning strikes, power outages, or other electrical disturbances. Surge protectors work by diverting excess voltage away from the protected equipment. Surge protectors are available in a variety of different types, including whole-house surge protectors and point-of-view surge protectors. Whole-house surge protectors are installed at the electrical panel and protect all of the electrical equipment in the house. Point-of-view surge protectors are plugged into individual outlets and protect the equipment that is plugged into those outlets. Self-grounding receptacles, GFCIs, and surge protectors are all important safety devices that can help to protect people and equipment from electrical hazards. When used together, these devices can provide a comprehensive level of electrical safety. When working with electricity, it is important to follow all safety precautions. This includes wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and safety glasses. It is also important to energize the circuit before working on it. This can be done by turning off the circuit breaker or removing the fuse. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to hire a qualified electrician. Electricity can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and others.